Hi guys, I'm here again to bring you a very powerful hair growth recipe for you. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos and more updates. I always come with simple remedies you can use to grow your hair. And in this video, we are using just one ingredient, fenugreek seeds. Yes, if you are new to herbs, my first recommendation is either rosemary or fenugreek seeds, and you are going to thank me later. So in this video, I used 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in order to make myself a powerful hair growth spray for my hair, just a way to moisturize the hair a bit. But fenugreek seeds is a type of seed that can help you grow your hair if you are struggling with hair growth, or if you are having issues with dandruff. Fenugreek seeds is something that you can try. The seed slows down the ability of DHT to attach to your hair follicles. A study involving 53 people found that a 300 milligram daily oral dose of fenugreek seeds extract over 6 months led to improvement in hair volume and thickness for more than 8% of participants compared to those given a different dosage or a different herb. So yes, this is a research that has been done, and fenugreek seed is something you should use yourself. Like, I'll bet it. And in doing it, you can infuse it like what I did in this video, or you can just decide to boil it with your normal water and then allow it to cool down a bit and then spray it on your hair. If you are specifically struggling with dandruff, or your scalp is giving you some scalp irritations, this is the seeds, or this is the treatment that I recommend for fenugreek seeds. The nutrients are seriously good for your hair. It's good to do it on freshly washed hair, on a hair that's dirty, on a hair that's not dirty. You could tell that I was scratching my scalp. Yeah, sometimes you feel so good scratching your scalp, but then aside that, it's good to do this on freshly washed hair. So spray this on your scalp and then focus on your ends as well. Like, these are hair teas that are very, very nutritious. Like, the hair needs it, but they're not going to ask you, they're not going to tell you that they need it, but they really, really do need it. You could tell that I'm trying to focus on a part of my hair that is trying to get bald a bit. It's not really getting bald, but I don't want it to get bald. You could also tell that if you've been on this page for a while, you could tell that my hair has also thickened a bit. It's just using herbs. Like, I just love herbs. The fact that they are so affordable, they give hope to the hopeless. If you haven't seen growth in years, you can try using fenugreek seeds for your hair growth. One thing about fenugreek seeds, you can customize it anyhow you want. You can make it into an oil, you can make it into tea like this video, or you can just make it into a hair mask, which I'll be uploading another video soon. Yeah, so customization is really, really based on you. You don't need to strictly follow a guide of using it as a spray alone. It's important to follow up with your hair oil. Yes, a good Ayurvedic hair oil is what is going to add additional boost to your hair growth. So I'm using this Vida hair oil, which is so good, and I'm focusing on my edges because my edges have had tons of stress in this life. So yes, try this treatment and then tell me what you think about it. You are going to really, really enjoy it. You can use it 3 to 4 times in a week, or depending on your hair porosity. If your hair is very porous, every day is going to be great. If your hair is low porous, you can do it 3 to 4 times in a week, or 2 to 3 times in a week. It's good to follow up with an oil in order not to dry out your hair so much. Yes, thank you so much. Let me know if there's something you'll be trying yourself at home. Have you used fenugreek before? Are you seeing any improvement in my hair thickness? Or just let me know what you think about this. My name is Lydia once again. If this is the first time you are stopping by, do well to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. I also say another hi to Gracie, who is always commenting on this video. I really do appreciate your comments. I so do appreciate her comments. Really gives me inspiration, and so do anyone who comments and watches my video and leaves me a like as well. Do well to try this recipe and then let me know. Please focus on consistency. Bye.